Hi all, welcome to another new video, and today we are going to talk about Primavera P6. So what is Primavera used for? Oracle Primavera P6 is a program, project and portfolio management tool that is used for planning, managing and executing your work during the construction works. It is designed to handle small and large scale projects mainly in the industries of construction and manufacturing. Now, why Primavera is best? Primavera P6 provides advanced resource management capabilities such as resource management, risk management, and schedule optimization. Primavera P6 also provides advanced collaboration and communication features such as real-time progress and track the communication features. Next, speaking about Protrainy's Primavera course, you get to master Primavera within just 25 days from the best of the experts having 10 plus years of work experience, and you can also avail one-on-one doubt sessions. You're still watching the video? What are you waiting for? Book your seat now and upskill yourself. For more information, visit our website www.protrainy.com.